How to apply Aprés Signature Gel-X. First, cut and prep the natural nails to the client's desired length. Then apply pH bonder. This dehydrates the nail plate and removes any oil or residue. Then apply acid-free gel primer. This creates a tacky layer for the Extend Gel to adhere onto. Next, apply a thin layer of Extend Gel. Each bottle of Extend Gel comes with Brush X. Made from PBT fibers, this densely compacted brush allows for better control and precision when applying product. With Brush X, you can easily apply thin, even layers. Cure for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. Next, taking Gel-X Prep, etch into the underside of the Gel-X tip by scrubbing Gel-X Prep until the hexagon logo disappears. Apply a bead of Extend Gel onto the underside of the Gel-X tip. Apply the Gel-X tip at a 45-degree angle and gently press until the Extend Gel flows down to the natural nail free edge. Flash cure for 10 to 15 seconds with the Omni Light. With the Omni Light, you can flash cure however is most comfortable for you. Use it as a handheld light for maximum mobility, or use it as a hands-free light for maximum ease. After all 5 fingers have been applied, fully cure for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. And voila! Now you're ready to move on to color application or nail art.